All right. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna build a games. I would have a very simple game. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I was okay. Let me make sure I close every window here. I'll show you the game. The game is called the name game. Okay. So this game is very familiar to you. I will already show you how to play before manually by hand. And the reason we're going to do it by Python is have multiple reasons. First, the game is easy, simple, and we can understand the game first. And build it using the computer is still tricky. You will see why. But after you build it, the beauty of it is it takes about an hour at most to build it. After you build it, you can slowly implement the brain of the computer to play against you. And after you have that working, you can let your brain, the one that you built, to play against other people's brain, right? So you build an AI, we call it AI, and it's not AI here, but I'm saying you build a computer to play against you, right? You think, oh, the one that I built pretty good, and you can let that play against the one that Roy built or against the one that Lydia built, okay? So the games goes like this, okay? Let me lay it out, the layout here. So first of all, let me share my screen. Okay, so usually for the new game now, we have a habit, you click here and you can, sharing here, you create a new folder. And then this go, I say, this one I call last text win game. Okay, it's a game called last text win. Okay, the last person text will win. Okay, all right. And oh, let me create a film, say sample flow .txt, so I can show you what the sample flow is. So the game will start out, say, give me first number. And then you say number one, number two, all right, let's say, no, let's say 5. Give me second number, number 6. Give me a third number, number 7. And then you ask, do you want to go first? And say yes. What number do you want to text? 1, 2, or 3, right? Then we say 1. How much do you want to take? And then you say, let's say you take 3, okay? Then the games right now will print out number 1, it will be how much? Number 1 will be 5 minus 3 is 2. Number 2 will be still 6. Number 3 will be 7, right? And then machine turn. Machine turn will, same thing, machine will text, machine turns. And then you say done. The machine will text some things and it will print out similar to this. And it will now have, let's say machine text all 6, so that becomes 0, okay? All right, and then your turn again. So it will, your turn again. Let's make it again real fast. Your turn again, you will text the third number and you text 7. So now the net game will become 0, 0 right here, right? And then the machine turn again. Machine turn, right? I can say here, text 2 from first number. And then all the number printout will be this. And then who win? In this case, who win? Come on, guys, unmute the microphone. Who win?
If the last one who takes wins, then the machine would win.
Yeah, machine win. Okay, so as simple as that. Okay, now I know this game, it looks simple and straightforward, right? But implement it will be fairly tricky. So that's why the first 15 minutes here, I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay, we will kind of like, I'm not an expert in this case, but I will show you what I mean. Okay, I will show you how I would approach it. Right, the thinking, the structure of the programs is the most important. Okay, first I want to make sure you still see. Can you still see my screen?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Just unmute your microphone. You don't have to mute. There's nothing else going on in your room anyway, right, Peter?
Yeah.
Okay. So first, always have the main function. And then you call the main function, right? Just, everybody know that. Now, the first things when your main function does, you have the games, you have player turn, like user turn and machine turn, and then you have the game will print out, and that's it. So first is set up game. Okay, the first function says set up game, which you think. After you set up the games, you will set up a game where we'll ask who will play first, right? So let's say if user play first, if user play first, right? User play first is true. Then we will let the user play. Okay. After that, we will loop while true. Then we will let what? We assume the user play first. After user play first, then who play? Machine play. Machine play. Okay. Machine play. And then after the machine play, what you do? After machine play, you print game. After you print game, you check if is game ended. If game is ended, is true, then you print after the machine play, right? And if the game is ended, then you print what? You print machine win. And you break out the while loop. Okay, simple as that. Now copy and paste. Same thing happen when the user play. After the machine play, then we have the user play. And the same thing happened here. Print game and then check if after the user play and the game is ended, then we print you win. Right now, the program you can see it has a lot of underscore because these the flow of the games and haven't implemented yet. Right after you break out, that's it. Right, so you can print things here for a nice purpose. Like print the games is ended. Okay. Now, first set up game. Now you do setup of the game. You set up game. What the setup game do?
Hello?
Well,
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yeah. Hello?
Hello? I can hear you, Roy. What's up?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
It wasn't, my mic wasn't working earlier. I don't know why.
Okay, but were you still following up with the coding here?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay. All right. Make sure it's see the text bigger. You can see. All right. Setup games. This is the flow, right? The flow of the game. Now, setup games. You set up the game. So now I would say, because of 3 numbers, I would love to keep it in a global data. So I'll say number equal, 3 numbers. Just put it to 0, 0 for now. So the game, I'll say, number 1, the first number will be 0 equal, and we need to get a number from the input.
Like a random integer?
No random, we say, give me
Oh, okay. We're just gonna.
the first number
Mm-hmm.
to set up the game, right?
Yes.
And then you can say, you can see that, huh? Set up the first number, and then second number, and then third number. Simple as that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say right now, for the simplicity, we are say the user play first is always true. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Play first is always true. Simple. We always can ask the user, but let's just say user always play first. Make it simple.
Okay.
Okay. And then set up the game, user play first. That done. Now user play. What do we do when the user play? Right, when the user play. So very simple. We need to ask the user.
Take a number.
Yeah, number to take is equal.
To the input.
Yep. Give it input. Say what number you want to text, right?
Yes.
What number do you want to take? Give a hint, 1, 2, or 3, because the game right now is very simple, just 3 number for now. And then ask them how much to text. So amount to text, right?
Mm-hmm.
How much?
How much do you want?
How much do you want to take? So yep. All right. And
you could add a hint saying don't take more than.
Yeah, sure. I mean, I'm going to be very simple now. There will be a lot of cases you can purposely break the game for sure. Yep. Now I'm not worrying about that. You good call. When you build your games, you will do that. Okay. So then number, after you take the number, you change number value here. Number will be what? The number to text is number to text is 1 from 1 to 1, 2, or 3. You have to minus 1 because the index, right? Is you go from 0, 1, or 2 is equal. Actually, it's minus equal right here. Amount to text, right? Right. So that's the user play. And after the user play, after user done, that's done. After you user play, you print the game, right? Or the machine play. Now for the machine play, right now we haven't built the brand of the machine yet. So we say machine play is the same as user play. How about that?
Bruh.
It's just that, right? We play against ourselves, right? Just testing it out. And then print game here. How do we print the game? We print number 1 is plus.
Scroll up, I think.
Yeah, just right here.
Number
0 here.
0.
Right? Simple as that.
And then.
Now, the idea here, you watch me do it, you can see how fast it is to make the games, and you have to structure, instead of writing random, a lot of code, unstructured, which, beginner will tend likely to do. This is more like intermediate level. I never claim myself as an expert, okay? So this is intermediate level. When you see that it's more structured, I lay out a structure of the game first before I write it, right? So print it like this, that's it. And
so
then
this is completely independent of our previous projects, right?
yes.
I'm gonna name this lesson 7.
Sure. And then okay,
right.
now I want to check, see, is game ended? And I'll say if number, first number is equal to 0.
Oh shoot, I forgot to make this a .py.
And right, you can check. And So all three number. I'm type slow today because Peter swap out my keyboard. I hate it. Okay. If that is the case, then return true. Else return false. Okay, so is game ended or not? So voila, we're done. Right? Let's run it. Let's see how. Give the first number, say 5, 6, 7. What number you want to text? We just like our test before, right? We write our test before. We text first number. We text 3. Oh, it didn't print again.
Oh yeah, print.
Print game didn't hit. So machine play. Okay, so let's
Oh
stop.
yeah, you need to let the machine play first.
Yeah, so machine. Well, okay. So one thing here is when the machine play, we should print out. So we better know, right? We better print
Yeah.
out. So say your turn,
Your turn.
right? And then machine turn, so we can know machine turn, machine turn. And then after you do this, it will try to print the game. Why true machine play, print game, user play, print game. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't print the game, but well, let's set a breakpoint. Yeah.
I think that's because you need to let the machine play first. Because you didn't enter anything, it can't move on.
Oh, okay. So you did user play. Okay, so wait.
So you should
right.
put like the print game
Okay,
before
so
machine.
we should do this, right? So the user play, and then it still have the print game. It should have this one.
Yeah.
For the, so still have to have this, right?
Mhm.
Right. Because if the game ended, yep. I assume the first play will not. Okay, let's assume the first play will never end the game. How about that? Right?
Sure.
So fair
I
enough.
don't think
Okay.
that's possible.
Yeah, yeah. So let's set up again. 5, 6, 7. Your turn. Yeah. Text first number. Text 3. Okay. So let's see what error. Oh, okay. So cannot add string to integer.
Wait, so I think that
my-
would be numbers.
So these needs to be converted to
invalid.
string.
Yes.
Just because the way I
invalid.
format it. Or that's one way to do it. Or I can, know better by just say print, comma.
Oh,
That
okay,
works
sure.
too.
Yes.
Yeah.
That works.
Yep.
Commas always work.
Yeah, exactly. You're an expert now. Okay, play it again.
Comma supremacy.
5, 6, 7, text 3. Hey, it works. So now it's 5, 2, 6, 7. Now machine turn. Machine turn, text number 3, text all of it. Say 0.
Okay,
now
that
your
works.
turn, you text second number and text all 6. And now machine turn again. Machine text first number and 2. Boom. Game is ended. Machine
Okay.
win.
How does it detect if you win though? I don't see it saying that.
Right here. If the game's ended after the user play, after the user play, it print game and it checks. Same logic. See that?
I don't think you should have an S after that.
Can you
It's
go
a
back
you
up? I
win.
was in the bathroom. I didn't really get what you're doing right now.
It's
Yeah, I
very
should
basic, right?
probably write along with it.
No, so here. So I will just leave my screen here. I need to go to do some cleanup.
Okay,
So
can
I
you
want
scroll up so I can take a screenshot?
no. You see the flow that I built a game. I built the flow and then I slowly implement some of this function here. I want you all to do it right now on your machine.
Peter, you want to work together?
All right, sure.
Sure. Okay, work on that.
Um,
Beautiful. Okay, please do that. I will come back and check in 10 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. I'll give you guys 15 minutes.
All right.
Peter, I'll share my screen, okay? So we can have something to work off of and then we can copy off each other.
Okay.
Okay. So here we have first setup game would be, oh wait.
I can't see your screen.
You can
you
you can
can't?
change
Oh, it's
the
loading. Wait,
yeah.
let me stop share for a
Daddy,
second.
stop sharing.
But do you need my screen here?
No.
Okay,
I'll
How about
just
this?
use the-
I'll send the flow in the chat. Okay.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the Skype chat, because
Yeah.
Zoom doesn't take in screenshots.
Yeah, and then you can just take that screenshot and help me work on this together.
Okay.
Cool.
Good job,
Now
guys.
let me share. Let's go. It's still loading for some reason. That's weird.
Okay, I can see
now
it
it's,
now.
now it's
I
there.
can see it.
Cool. So for setup game, we need first of all
Yeah, so you need before that. No, before that. No, it's not in the function. It should be outside. It's predefined.
Yeah. So the main would be
And
like
So
then
that means the
input.
number is
wait.
global.
The
Now,
main would the
yeah,
main is the game, but then this is like outside functions. That we're
outside the
working
function main, but again, if you define a variable inside a function, then the variable will be only local to that function. If you put the variable outside the function, that will be global. So you
like all
set up the
functions.
games, and then you can call user turn. You can change a number in other function, right? So you put up the numbers, define a number first outside the function, and then you can use it everywhere.
Okay.
So
And should I just do numbers right now like this?
yeah, equals, and then no, not it's not an input. It's an array.
Oh right. Oh yeah, and then we can change it after that. Okay. And now set up game. Oh wait, define setup game, sorry. Define setup game. Numbers equals input.
Yep.
But you want to put numbers like position 0.
Oh yeah, true. So I should go here. Index 0.
I put what is the first number,
Give
and
me
then
the first
numbers
number.
position.
And then numbers
Position 1.
1 equals input. Give me the second number.
You have to put integer.
Oh, true.
You think we should print out like the instructions of the game, because most
Oh
people.
yeah, that's actually big brain.
Like
Yes.
most people won't know how to play. This is a weird ass game, so like.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'm done with that.
Oh wait, print. We are ready to begin. And now we go back here, right? So after you set up the game, we should like roll a die to decide who goes first, okay? So.
Wait a sec, Ray is texting me.
Okay. Order equals. Should I make the order a global variable as well? No? Because then.
Yeah, I think like.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Order would then equal either.
I
yes
just call
or
it like
no.
player go first or something. Player
Yes.
go.
Order equals, yeah.
P1 for P first is equal to true.
Order. You like.
No, you just want to like true and false.
First. Yes.
No, just put true or false.
Okay. True or
No, like for order on line 2. Here, let me annotate.
Oh.
Here,
Okay.
put true or false instead. Yeah. And then put true is like 1, and then false is like 2 or something.
1 for.
1 for true.
And 2 for no.
Yeah.
Okay. And now, but these two things aren't the same because this would be a string and this would be like an, I don't know what it's called.
No, then no.
But they wouldn't be the same thing.
Don't put input. Don't put. Well, yeah, put an input and then say if order equals 1, then order equals true. If order.
Okay, true.
Yeah.
Order equals 1. Oh wait, wrong equal sign. Then order equals. Yeah. If order equals 2, then order equals false. Okay, now we should make this an if, if who goes first equals true, like this, then we should do player's turn. Now the function define player's turn. Basically, it says number.
Wait, you think we should just put it random? Who goes first or not?
That's a good idea too, because
I'm
in
gonna do that.
sure. Input. Which number do you want to take from? 1, 2, 3. Amount taken equals integer. Input. How much do you want to take from the that number? And then okay, now we just do number taken, position of amount taken -1. Well, no, I got this mixed up. It's numbers. And then the position of a number taken -1 minus equals, wait, so the minus goes first, right? Minus equals amounts taken. Cool. And now else machine's turn. Define machine's turn.
I finished the who goes first part. I did it random.
It is your, okay, cool.
Okay.
You can send that to me in Skype later. Meanwhile, I'll be working on the rest of this. You can copy afterwards.
I'm just doing it on my own. I'm looking at you to get ideas, but like.
Cool. Yes, special features is a good idea. They're just hard to implement. Number. Should I import random?
If you're gonna do the random thing, yeah, you do need to import random.
Not only for that, because I need to make the machine take randomly.
No, the machine's gonna make it in a strategy to always win.
But then that wouldn't be fun, right?
But you could also beat it if you know the strategy.
Exactly. Oh, I should add a levels difficulty, okay? Turn hard. Versus find machines turn easy.
Yeah, that's actually kind of smart.
And then define machines turn random.
And then we'll on the top we have another global variable that says machine level. No, don't put random and easy. Just put easy as random.
No, because easy makes you always win. I don't know how to do that actually.
Yeah, it's gonna
Whatever.
be the hard part. Just do one hard and one easy, and the easy one's gonna be random.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna make it. Okay.
And make it like machine level hard is equal to true or something.
Yeah. Um.
It's gonna be on
Oh,
default
where's my
false.
names? And then setup game. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it under setup game. Okay. Mm. Machine difficulty.
No, you need to make a.
I know,
You need to make
global,
a variable.
global. It needs to be global. I get it. Machine difficulty.
No spaces.
True.
Make it like machine hard.
Machine difficulty equals true or something like that.
Like
And
I put it
then-
machine hard, like if it's on level hard.
Mhm. Equals input. What will be the machine level? By the way,
No, you need to do it like the who goes first thing.
Yeah, I know. One for hard. No, one for easy and the two for hard.
Then it'd be need to be input.
And then we need an if or whatever.
You need an integer.
Yes. Machine difficulty here.
You can also make a 2-player version.
Oh yeah, that's a
Well,
good
that'll be
idea.
later. That'll be
If
later.
machine difficulty equals 1. Hang on, so currently though, it would be string, so. I'm gonna do false for easy. And
I'm doing false for easy.
same here. If machine difficulty
I just put
equals
else.
to, that would be faster actually. Else machine difficulty equals true.
But
And
if you type something wrong, you're going down.
Yeah, bro. Imagine typing something wrong. Honestly, this is gonna be much harder than expected.
Wait, can you go back up to the player's turn, like so I can look at it?
Sure. It's not that hard to understand, honestly.
Yeah, I know.
I know. Not to criticize you or anything. Just to tell you how I'm feeling. I don't know, get it. But whenever my headphones are plugged in, my mic seems to work. But if they are unplugged, it doesn't work.
Because your microphone is in the headphones, Roy. You're probably using your headphone microphone.
I know, but I can't seem to be able to use the other microphone, which is weird. The
You can
computer
go
one.
to your Zoom settings. Oh,
Under
okay.
Zoom though. Let's worry about that afterwards.
Yeah.
I need to change something first. Let me check here. And then I'm gonna make an if command inside this one. Like if. Oh wait, I should do an else if. If machine difficulty equals false, then machines turn easy. Else machines turn hard. Okay, I basically got it all down now, I think. We still need a winning system though. Now, yes, I have my random in, so who goes first? Wait, we should make an option. So either the player can decide if he wants to go first or not, or he can decide if it's random.
Yeah, that could be a good idea. I'll
Order
send you a
question.
screening of the random.
Do you want to choose to go first or not? Yes or no? Okay, and now if order question equals yes, then order. All this order nonsense. What did you send me?
I sent you what was I gonna? I'm just blank. I sent you the random side.
Okay, cool. Thanks. I think I should be able to figure it out though. It's not too hard.
It's not hard, but it'd be quicker if you just. I'll send you the
Yeah.
text actually, so you can just copy and paste it.
Random.
I sent you the
Okay.
text. It's easier if you can just copy and paste it.
On Skype, right?
Yeah.
Okay, decide equals. Okay, that's smart. It doesn't include 3 though, right?
Hmm?
It doesn't include the 3.
Yeah, it's like an array. It's 1, 2.
Mhm.
Like the last one doesn't count.
Cool. Thanks for the sending it. That will help me a lot, huh? Should I make player first like a variable globally? Since it's not exactly defined yet.
What? Which one?
Player first isn't defined yet.
It will be.
It's
Oh,
not
player to
yet.
first is supposed to be order.
Oh,
It's
I'll
different
fix
from.
that.
I named it differently.
Cool. So now we have a who goes first mechanism here in the main who goes first. Okay, cool. But now we need to, oh yeah, okay. That's good, that's good. It's really good. And now time to make, the easy should be easier to code since all we have to do is like do rand int, right? So, I'm gonna do coin flip, machine coin flip equals random.random.
Just do random.random 1 to 3 and then do another one.
Wait, it's
Yeah,
1 to 4 though, because
Yeah,
there
yeah,
are
yeah.
4 numbers.
And then yeah, but that's not exactly a
Okay.
coin flip, wouldn't it? It'd just be machine random.
Okay,
That's like an
machine.
imperfection in your naming, which I mean,
Sorry.
doesn't matter, but like it could get
I get
annoying.
it. I know. Yes. Sir.
Order question is
Now,
equal to 2.
machine generator plus equal. No,
My typing is so slow these days.
print machine generator. Print machine. The machine is going to take from the number machine generator. Cool. And now machine taker equals this is going to be tricky because we don't know how much it could take, you know what I mean?
No, just to do like and then do machine random take or something.
Wait,
and
I
then it
need
would
to
be
put this
another
into
random.
wait, I need to put this into a while loop. While let's see here, what does it say?
No, not while loop. Every time it loops
because
in the main, every time it loops in the main, it'll run it again.
no, but here's the thing, because we needed to detect if it equals 0, right? So how are we going to do that? If machine generator,
Okay, wait, I'm working on
like
the who
if
goes
the
first
number
part.
it selects, if number machine generator minus 1 equals 0 then. Oh yeah, we can use recursion here. Peter, how's
Yeah.
this use of a recursion, huh? Perfected use of recursion here.
That's not gonna be a good idea, or it's just gonna crash.
Oh, true.
How is it ever gonna end?
I don't know.
Yeah, see?
Like, what if every number is 0? It needs
No,
to
no,
wait
no.
to
Here's the
detect
thing,
that.
Roy. You have a while loop in main. Every time it goes to the main while loop.
True, but then we still need a way for it to detect 0. You can't have the machine taking away from 0, right?
True. Say
How's
if
it going to detect
I know. If
numbers index machine generator minus
if
1
number yeah is
equals
no, not y minus, oh it is, yeah, minus 1
0.
is equal to 0, then recursion there. Then do recursion like
That's
that.
what I was doing, bro.
Oh, you did? I didn't realize.
Bruh. It's okay. Anyways, I'm smart, you see. Now what? Oh yeah, we need to detect crash for the player too, though. Right. Then we just need to print. You cannot do that. Try again. And then recursion. I'm so smart, bro. Perfect use of recursion, dude. My dad would be proud. I never got the hang of recursion before. It was just kind of confusing to me. Anyways, machine taker equals random.random. Should we like have a number to assess the length?
What do you mean?
We should like have a variable that like, detects how long the number is.
Like the number that the machine is choosing?
Yes. So like, we have this, right? We can detect what number it is. We just don't know how big it is so far.
Yeah, so like
Can we do like a
random,
length?
and then 1 to machine generator position in numbers. Yeah.
That will be kind of weird because
No, 1 to that. Why do you need another comma?
okay. I think that's good.
Oh, wow. You guys really ahead, huh? You guys already trying to implement the machine, huh?
Yeah, we're giving the machine 2 difficulties too. One of them
Yeah,
is easy
but
and one
isn't
of them is hard.
the basic game flow, is it working yet?
Not almost, because most of it's running. All
Uh-huh.
we need is,
Okay, sure.
machine taker. Then we should do numbers machine generator minus 1 minus equals machine taker. How's that? And then say print The machine has taken away a machine taker. From the
machine generator number.
we don't need that. We can
Oh,
just do
okay,
it.
yeah.
It's
This
taken
is,
away.
let's try the simple first. When everything runs correctly, we can polish it. Right.
Okay, so first I need to call the function main. Give me the first number 1, 2, 3. What will be the machine level? 1 for easy since we haven't developed target. And
Didn't you put
line
didn't you,
56?
yeah.
Line 56.
line 56.
didn't you put it as an integer?
True.
No, like the if machine
Maybe.
difficulty
I
is
never-
equal
I
to
made-
1. No, the
Yeah.
part that says machine difficulty equal to 1.
Hmm.
No, just no. What?
But now because it wait. Yeah, it can't be a 1 here.
No, put if
because in
that
this
is equal to
function,
no, you're
because-
saying if machine difficulty is equal to something, then machine difficulty is going to be equal to that. That's kind of dumb. It's like as if saying if 1 is equal to 1, then 1 is equal to 1. You get what I'm saying?
well, here it's detecting like if it's equal to 1, then
Then it's going to be equal to false. It's like the
False.
dumb. Do you not get what I'm trying to say?
okay, so we should just skip the false or true and
No.
just say
You're
1
supposed
here.
to already define the machine difficulty. And if machine difficulty equals at the top false for easy, then it should go to machine turn easy.
Wait, so if wait, we should make setup game return something. If setup game machine difficulty, and then we should like return machine difficulty here, right? And then if we come down here again, then we should do like if equals 1, then I think we could skip this part, like directly implement it into the game.
Yeah, just like how I do it, right? The hardest part is the flow of the game. Once you have the flow of the game in, you can implement the actual brain of the machine. And when you have a basic brain, you can upgrade it to have multiple level. You guys are thinking too far ahead, right? When you think far ahead, you don't know how far you need to think. So, it gets more complicated, and eventually you get out of control. And then you start have bugs here and there, and it just takes longer to write the program, right? And that is just
Yes.
a normal experience that people would have to go through so that before you can organize your program better, right? So
I don't even have the like print game thing.
Okay, so if I'm going first, give me the first number 2, then give me the second. It appears to be like looping again. That's weird. Where do I have a while loop? Where do I have a while loop? What's gone wrong? So after it says it is your turn, and then it says no, you are going first. it skips everything else and it returns to who goes first. And it's defined as true.
You know, no one knows why it's happening. So the easiest way to do is to, set a breakpoint so you can see
Mhm.
how's the game flow,
Yeah.
right? So set the breakpoint on line 56. See what happened. Exit the current game.
Hang on. Yeah. So technically after the machine's turn, it should have. Yeah, I'll debug it. Somebody's messaging me. Anyways,
All right, now step into that. F11.
wait, my share screen thing just pops up.
No, yeah.
Now,
Yeah, step through it, step over it.
okay. I'll step into this though.
Then step over it.
It's asking me for the
Yeah,
first
sure.
number.
Yeah.
So 1.
So
This one's asking me for the second
yeah,
number. Oops. 2. Ah, I'm gonna move this out of the way. Very. And now what will be the machine level? I'm doing 1 for easy. We are ready to begin. Return machine difficulty. What did this say?
see, so everything works correctly now. Just keep
Who
stepping over.
goes first?
See what happens. Yeah, who go first? We are ready to begin.
Who goes first equals. Do you choose to go first or not? No. The machine can choose for me. Okay. Now it says set up. Set up game.
They're gonna be dark.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna be dark.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask them focus.
Oh, I see the problem. Because after it's returning it, because we're doing the function, right? But then it returns it, but then we don't save it. So it has to do it again.
Oh, you set up game twice, right? You set up the game
Yes.
twice. So that's a bug
So
there, right?
first,
So now you
I
know. Yeah.
probably should, but
Alright.
we need to keep this here. We
Yeah.
could do like something
Something is equal to that, and then elif
So like
that thing
CPU
equals.
Okay.
equal
So I
to
think we got the
equal.
idea here, and then look like you guys are well on the way to make the games to work. So I have no concern here. So please continue to finish it up at home and send out a demo video for everyone. Understand? I want to send out a demo video, not code. Send out a demo video.
Not
And then
another
next week we
video.
will start to having people playing against each other, and I'll show you how we can make that happen. Okay?
Okay. Is it like a cloud or something?
No, just manually. Manually, like on one machine, you say I play first. On the other machine, you say I play second. And
Mhm.
whatever input you get from the first machine, you input into the second machine, and you let the two machines play with each other.
Okay. So
Right.
look. Right now, it's saying the machine is going to take it away. So
Mhm.
basically right now,
So
it's
you
actually
can
returned.
you have to calm down, Roy. You look
Mhm.
at the screenshot that I sent out earlier in the chat, just the basic flow, the basic programs. Make sure that the flow makes sense. Okay, the
Mhm.
flow I sent right. Look at my flow. Set up games, user play, print games, so very basic flow. Right?
Mhm. Yes.
Yeah. So make sure you do those basic flow, just code up the flow, and then slowly implement each of that, and it will work. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. I need to end the call now because Peter
Mhm.
have a lesson at 8:30. All right, Peter, coming
Okay.
down, Peter.
I
It's
know.
time.
I'm
Okay.
All right.
almost done.
All right. Good job, guys.
Mhm. Thank you.